In this video, I want to show you how you can use the AI background removal tool of the Mega Pack to remove backgrounds from your images. So first things first is we need a bunch of images. I have here 6 images that I've downloaded from Pixabay. So we have a bird, a cat, a dog, pair of hands, another bird, and a zebra. So once we have our images, we want to load the Mega Pack, and next to choose an option, we want to choose the AI background removal option and hit OK. Now, the next screen that loads will give us an option whether we want to remove the background from a single image or bulk remove the background from a folder of images. So the principle is the same on both options. Just obviously with single, you will choose an individual image to remove the background from, and with bulk, you'll select a folder and it will loop through the folder and remove the background from all of those images. So let's start with single, and let's go to here and change to JPEG, and let's go for the cat, hit open. And if we save that here, and we'll just call it cat, hit save and then remove background. Just wait for that to complete. All right, that's done. Hit OK. So now if I browse to this folder here, you see I have my cat with the background removed. Now you'll still notice, obviously, there are little bits of imperfections, particularly where the grass overlaps on the cat's body. This is a one-click tool, so do bear that in mind when you use it. If I get up now the original to compare, and if we move that like so. So overall, not a bad job, but certainly some touching up required on that. So now, I'm just going to quickly do the same, but show you the bulk background removal option. So here, rather than single, hit bulk, and then I'm going to choose this folder here, which is images to remove BG. Select that, and then I want to save that as images background removed, and then hit remove background on that. And we'll just wait for that to complete. And now that's complete. If I go into my folder here, I have my 6 images. So first of all, I have my first bird here. Let's open that as well. So from here to here. And then we have the cat, which you've already seen. Our dog here, like so. Our hands. Another bird. And finally, our zebra. Now, as I said earlier on, this is a one-click tool. So it will work best on images where there's a clear difference between the focal point and the background. I hope this quick introduction video to the AI background removal tool of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.